Hey guys, Carly Voinski, and I'm going to show you how I make one of my favorite go-to super quick and easy meals. This is going to be my lunch today, and it is an open-faced chicken taco. So good. So we start off by shredding just some rotisserie chicken, and I always use the dark meat with skin on it because it has more of a higher fat content. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons or so of shredded cheddar. I'm going to have an avocado on the side, have some sour cream over here, probably about 2 tablespoons on the side of that, some sliced jalapenos, some salt, and garlic powder that will go on the chicken. And I'm just gonna microwave it and show you what it looks like. Okay, so as out of the microwave, I added about 2 tablespoons, more than that, of sour cream. I'm not gonna eat all of this. I only did half of the avocado. I saved the other half for later. And you'll see, open-faced chicken taco with jalapenos, cheese, sour cream, and avocado. Pretty great. There is salt and garlic powder on top of the chicken, and then I added the cheese on top. Super yummy, really, really good. Okay guys, so that open-faced chicken taco came out to have macros of about 66% fat. I think it's actually a little higher in fat and a little bit less in protein than what's listed. The protein's at 30 and the net carbs were at 3. I didn't even count the jalapenos because they're like 0. And then the protein's listed because I just put in rotisserie chicken. But I know that I took the fattier parts, I had the skin on it, so it was a little bit more fat than that. So it's a great go-to meal. It worked out for me. It was delicious. I ate the whole thing. So you guys can put on whatever toppings you want that are keto friendly, and it's really great because I don't miss taco shell, and there is a way to make a cheese taco shell, but that's for another time. So if you liked this video, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll always be notified of new videos coming out.